first, second, and third connections on LinkedIn and the differences between them. I'll give you some examples as well. So here we got David. David and I are connected on LinkedIn. So one of us has sent a connection request and then the other one has accepted. Now we're connected on LinkedIn. So it's my first connection. Now, say that David would hypothetically be connected with Alex Hormozy. Then Alex would become my second connection. And if Alex would hypothetically be connected with Sahil, well, Sahil would become my third connection. It's quite simple. It's literally like that. And if you look at the tabs, it's literally if you count 1, 2, 3. That's how it works. Don't have to complicate things. And I'm tired of those tutorials where people just blab along and it doesn't make any sense and they just market themselves. Quick tutorial. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Have a great and productive day. Bye bye.